Okay, well, Rocky is enjoying his box. Look at him there. I given him the refrigerator box. That's a nice box, eh? Lots of room in that box, I'll tell you. Yeah. He likes that. Him likes it. Well, we just had a chicken feast here at Camp Crazy. The refrigerator's cooling down nicely. Yeah. Once it hits the correct temperature, I don't know if it'll keep drawing power like it is now. It's gone from 100 to 96%. But when the compressor motor shuts down, which it will do once it gets up the temperature, it won't be drawing any power really then. So we'll see what happens. We will. Holy smokes, hey? Okay. Rocky really likes that box. It's worth it just to get the box. I'd have paid them $117 just for the box, I would have. Hey, you. Hi. He's beautiful. The mosquitoes out here are wild. With the black fridge, you can probably see them there better. They're buzzing around me right now, but they say, oh, a warm body we can bite and suck the blood out of. Anyway, that's it. It's looking like Tamara Leach and Chris Barber, who were a couple of the organizers of the convoy protest in Ottawa, are going to get about 8 years in prison. That's how it's looking. That's what the prosecutor's looking for anyway. We'll see if it happens. They'll be sentenced on Wednesday, so we'll see what happens. Yeah, you know, a situation occurred within my own family where a relation of mine was married to a man who was having sex with children, with teenage girls. I mean, like 14-year-olds and whatnot. And I'm not going to get into it in a big way because I'm not really to talk about it too much. But that guy, my relation he was married to, did throw him out of the house as soon as she became aware of what he was doing. But the thing is, he statutorily raped several young females, teenagers, and he was in a position of trust over them, so that makes it worse. He served less than a year in prison, just to put it into perspective. That man served less than a year in prison after doing that, and we got, holy smokes, the mosquitoes are bad. Anyway, the light is really beautiful right now, though. Served less than a year in prison. So that's just to put it into perspective for you, the way things are in this country. See, he's in trouble, though. They're in trouble, Tamara Leach and Chris Barber, because they upset the authorities, you see. That's what it is. They caused upset to the authorities. They upset Justin Trudeau, who actually, when he was a drama teacher, apparently had sex with one of his students. So, you know, maybe there's some answers and all that, eh? She got paid off not to talk about it, but yeah. Oh, okay, Rocky, there we go. So, Rocky, I guess you have that box for as long as it lasts. It may not last very long with the weather being the way it is. It's not supposed to rain, though, for the next few days. I'm going to have to figure a way to do something about this. I'm going to have to build some sort of an enclosure or something for it so that it doesn't get exposed to rain or whatever. I can do that. It's not a big deal. I can do it. It's just going to take some time and some effort, that's all, to do it. But yeah, hey, Rocky is really enjoying that box. Look at him in there, having the time of his life. Anyway, that's it for now. I do love to see my Rocky enjoying himself, you know. I do. Look at all the friggin' mosquitoes. Like, this is just wild, and what you're seeing there is nothing, really. But with the black refrigerator, they really stand out against the black refrigerator. I'm right now just I'm being swarmed by them. Like, it's unbelievable how bad it is. It's unbelievable how bad it is. And they're biting me. Like, I'm getting bit a lot right now. Okay, I'm going to take this inside. Well, the first thing I'll do is I'll get the old cat food out of it. Here we go. Darn it all, anyway. Mosquitoes. Anyway, yeah, I don't really think very highly of Canada. I really don't. If you stand up for yourself against the tyrannical government of Canada, anything might happen to you. We're lucky they did away with hanging, back years ago, because maybe Leach and Barber would be facing the death penalty now. Otherwise, maybe they'd have been charged with treason or something, and they'd be facing death by hanging. That could have happened in this country until 1998. The death penalty remained on the books for treason. And maybe they could have been charged with that, and that when they'd be facing the death penalty. I could see Trudeau buzzing in my ear. Okay, I could see Trudeau doing that, trying to get the death penalty for them. Pushing for that. Okay, it's gone down quite a bit. You want to go in? Go ahead in, but hurry because the mosquitoes are going inside, Rocky. Go ahead. There you go. Okay. Holy smokes. All right. I got to keep an eye on this thing. This is still running, trying to get up the temperature. So, trying to get, so anyway, or down the temperature, I guess, is what it's tried to do, really. I got to figure out a way to keep this closed. I do. I haven't figured that out yet. Otherwise, the raccoons are going to come and do a midnight raid on it. Holy smokes, it's wild, though. The mosquitoes. They're just wild. Anyway, yeah. But like I say, I actually know a man because of the connection within my family there who was married to a family member who did all that and served less than a year. So I don't have a great deal of respect for Canada or for the Canadian judicial system. The chief of police in Toronto has said, so maybe some of you have heard this, but for those of you who haven't, I'll tell you the story.